MykrowaveTv.
Nothing. Where me buy for? Where me buy for?
Where me?
I love the truth, you know. I love the truth, you know. Romeich don't pay me $1. Don't pay me $1, but listen, right is right and wrong is wrong. Me not gonna say Romeich right for him do, but him have to take some accountability as well. The people them don't want you up on the stage and you come off and you go home. You not forgot to Romeich, go say nothing to Romeich. You go say something to Romeich. You go say something to Romeich. You hear someone in the background say something. You respond to the person. You don't go in the entourage. You don't go in the entourage of people. What you not do if you not do the same thing if you not in the same position? What you not say to me? You can't have it on one scale. Some bad man a road. Sometimes God will get this, I hold it and God man so me catch up on the rebound. How you go with your woman? The more you go with the woman, the fact that you go with the woman, you go alone.
Rose, you can't talk and run.
Me a busy with somebody who want to talk, say. You know what tell go so him? You go with your woman. I don't business one who wants to say my opinion is my opinion. You go with your woman. You don't roll with no dog, you go with your woman. And your woman a roll. So if any argument be necessary, you should be the one to walk away. You should be the one to walk away because you go with your woman. One lick start through, the woman get licked too. You know see that? Jaydenn and Fabi go to a man to something to Jaydenn. I never walk with Fabi. Come on, me loud that. Come be. How you go out with your woman? That me a talk about. You don't like the truth, you know? You don't like the truth. Yeah, really, that me say. That me say. That me say. That's what me say. Yeah. That's what me say. Some of the business no one can type yourself say. That's what me say. You don't know bad man road code then. Have you come to buy Romeich? No one tell you so. Now one person, I'm sorry for now, well, it's Amaya. She alone.
You know, sorry for TJ?
She a woman, I have to do woman power.
So
I'm about to punch me take click.
So that's sorry for TJ?
Who me? What up, say a chat?
So Rose, how was the party?
Party did nice.
So. You want to review the party?
Want to do what?
You want to review the party and the dressing code and of everybody?
Review the party and the dress code?
Yeah, with everybody. Right, you know?
Me not go down and them just sitting there. What's wrong with the people that wear dress? People wear when they can't wear. You know, what you believe. But I have to start showing some of them instantly. You can't tell me what to talk on my platform because uno are the worst. There is two to make a, I don't care what you want to say. You know what, me not get no gift, girl. You don't worry about that. No hypocrite, no inner it. There's two to make a quarrel. There is two to make a quarrel. You can't tell me that I can't make sure sub yourself. Make someone want to go on. Because phone up here that even matter. What things that me I go do like someone, you know? I come and say, when the bag chatting and type and this and that, move. When them walk and help people that give this and that give that, one never say nothing to do it. They only for cancel him, kind of give nothing. Only for cancel him, kind of do no sponsorship. Only for cancel him. I saw on the stay on the internet. One bad oof move you make the world go against people flying. I saw on the stay on the internet. So on the stay. So on the stay on ya. So on the stay on ya. Me and Jaydenn allocation, I see my road, I don't even say nothing to him. I ask him why and why and why. I don't even ask him nothing. I'm going about my business. When people come say, oh, Romeich wrong and then for cancel it, no. Romeich like for the Gucci bag, $800 fee, moving and nasty blood clot. Where? What don't come from my life? Where? I'm moving a blood clot. One go feed one Gucci bag by me out here. I'm gonna come here very hungry. Romeich, baby, got 2 tin of pain. I call him, nice nothing now, no. You wanna look for my phone there? 1, 2 buckets of pain. Me now for me, I beg me want my back, come up. My phone there. So I follow me other phone. My phone there, I never did have it. I would that sold, move. By Sharon. Who love hours? Rosealee will always there with Rosealee. Where someone for go off and yes, so and I come chat to me. Where? One, two, and I walk a fundraise and I walk a help people them. Him have to take some accountability to Romeich one can take 2 to make a quarrel. You roll with a woman, nobody hands and go on home. We catch up on a rebound. We know enough bad man do that. You know, have to prove so you're bad at this moment. Sometimes a rebound badness, we will catch up. And them something they do, we catch up. And a rebound and a no. You understand? What do me catch you? I'll hold you. I'll hold you. Yeah, I'll hold you. When we come, yes, Romeich. Take out lawsuit. So Romeich, TJ, so Romeich, you got blood clot. TJ for so much, I make 2 buckets of paint in my whole house. That's crazy. And some cement. I go and call Romeich man, come here, look the sponsor. Could I go about Romeich and me want to go foreign? One yeah. You see him now follow uno. Eh? Him want to go foreign. Him now follow him want to go foreign. Me not follow me want to go foreign. Me not follow uno. Me not follow uno. Me not follow uno. Me not follow uno. Me want to go foreign. And me want something better for my poop in them. Hello, I come for beg me have a business with the beef no more. That jeopardize my skill. One I go, me don't want to hear nothing. But someone there told me just restart, I'm going to find. So I go, me no business about that. Then my TJ to come on my yard 2 o'clock already. Come frighten me. What you think me that go come say yes, sir? Eh?
You don't think of it talk?
Boa.
No.
You never see him over your live class, me as well in like comment section.
Who that?
On the screen. Him same one. The innocent. Come. No, you see, I know you can't read. But I write black as you go along the way.
Come on, I chat 37 rows, come.
I'm not even left there so empty. I got to open it back for someone who just type and get a block. You never did see that?
No, never see. Never see.
Why, Maya? The 2-year woman, I sorry that your man make you get that lick. I mean, tell him from a longer time, you know, whatever you do on the internet will reflect for your woman, you know. You have to stop. Me talk to this man and I say, whatever you do on the internet will reflect for your woman because she's there with you. Say people are come for you. It now got me she. I didn't tell him, but then we'll learn somewhere somehow.
What?
What?
Triple chat.
Oh. You can't go on in a Jaydenn. I'm not supposed to play the match, you know.
Oh, no, me I play the match. You not tell me what to do. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. You know use the chip.
Cause uno like, when uno like, make yaso. Orlando yaso. Yaso alone like when yaso. Yaso come. Me not gonna be the one for dip on one somebody back all along. Yeah. If I do 99, if I do 99, if I do 99 good and the one bad, uno like use the 99 good and cover the one bad. Uno like to use the one bad and cover the 99 good and stay in the whole community and fraction. Go on, we wanna go. Romeich help you. Oh. Him did have to do it? You pay him? Oh. Orlando, my baby, man, because you can't type as in a light. Yes, so. I have to go somewhere else with it. Yeah. I remember me had that in any show when me going to be busy, now.
Rose, if you're wrong still, you know.
And let I say this to you. If I'm wrong, right? What you do if you're in the same position?
Huh?
What you do if you're in the position?
Which position?
Romeich's position. Put yourself in a Romeich's position. What you do?
Everybody deserves a second chance.
No, me I talk about at the time when that go on or whatever job, what you would do?
What you mean?
You don't understand I know what me I say?
I don't understand what you mean.
If you in the position where Romeich is in that night and that one, what you would do?
Remember now? As a man where ever coach me, you know, sometimes I take your coaching to, you know. You see, Modo, I don't think Modo disgrace himself.
You know, let's do it comes to when I say, you know. If you deny Romeich's position, right there and then, what you would do if him turn around and say, go X back your mother.
Remember say, you know, I them first tell me about him mother, you know.
Romeich tell him about him mother?
No, him not say, him not tell Romeich.
Somebody in the crowd say it.
Yeah, and TJ say, S back on no mother.
Yeah, but you could have walk away, because you walk with woman.
Me understand where I say, yeah. Okay. Me understand where I say still. But remember,
if you ever man say right to you and you say back right to a man, you are the fire to the fury that.
Rose. You like you know hear where I say, you know. Me understand where I say no Rose. But them talk and TJ talk, he could have done this up. It never have to go so further.
You don't love the truth, so make me shut up.
Rose, me understand where I say.
You don't love the truth, so make me shut up.
Rose, me understand where I say.
You don't love the truth, make me shut up.
Rose, you say. Here where I say, Rose, you say. TJ could have gone better because him woman did it.
Exactly. I have nobody to defend you.
I know nobody to defend
you. Nobody there to defend you. The whole massive of the party and Romeich something. What you do to yourself? You not like the truth. You not like the truth. Me not gonna say what him do. Me not gonna say where the man do right. But at the end of the day, your woman alone dead there. Nobody there from back you. When you can't avoid some things and walk away, you walk away.
Get to speak.